Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. This is our third video in a series of videos as it relates to the art of rounding. And in this case, we're going to round numbers to the nearest 10. And we have five numbers that we're going to round. And let's take a look at the numbers that we're going to work with today. And the numbers are 5,542, 6,563, 3,277, 9,986, and 4,328. And let's start with 5,542. And we know if we're rounding to the nearest 10, that 5,542 must be between 5,540 and 5,550. And we can find out where it's closest to by looking at the number in the ones place, because we're rounding to the nearest 10. Are we going to move 42 up to 50, or are we going to move it back down to 40? Well, 2 is our biggest indicator because we know that 2 is less than 5, which means that 5,542 is going to be on this side, which means that 5,542 will round back to 5,540 because the 2 is less than 5. So we're just going to simply round it right back down to this number right here. And so let's take a look at 6,563, and we'll look at the 3 since it's in the ones place, and it is our indicator whether to move up or down as it relates to rounding. And as we know, 3 is less than 5. So we're going to have to round this number back down to 6,560 because we know that 6,563 is on this side of the number line or on this side of the bar. And so we're just going to round it right back here to 6,560. And so let's take a look at 3,277. And we notice that in the ones place, 7 is greater than 5. So 3,277 must be on this side, which means that it is closer to 3,280. Therefore, 3,277 rounds to 3,280. And let's move up to 9,986. And we notice that 6 is greater than 5. And so we know from our experience that 9,986 will round to 9,990. And finally, for our final problem that we're going to work on, we have 4,328. 8 is greater than 5, and so we know that 4,328 rounds to 4,330. And there you have it right there. This is how we round to the nearest 10th. You can replay the video as many times you need to or pause it. But think about this. It is okay to comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook. Please do that, and you will see more content. Thank you, and goodbye.